solve example 12.5. What is given in example 12.5? There is a resistance whose resistance is 26 ohms. Conductor, its length is 1 meter. Cross section diameter is 0.3 millimeter. You have to convert it to meters. So it will be 0.3 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter. What will be the radius? Diameter upon 2. So 0.3 upon 2 into 10 raised to minus 3. 0.3 can be written as 3 into 10 raised to minus 4. So this becomes 1.5 into 10 raised to minus 4 meter. You have to find the specific resistance and you have to predict the material. Now, what is the formula for resistance? You remember there are two formulas. One formula is R is equal to V upon I. Next formula is R is equal to rho L upon A. We will use the second formula because we are aware we want to find rho. So R is equal to rho L upon A. R is 26, rho L is 1. A of a cross section is circle, so A will be pi r square. So pi r is 1.5 into 10 raised to minus 5 the whole square. You find the value of rho. This whole term comes on this side. So therefore, after substituting the values, you will get the value of rho as 1.84 into 10 raised to minus 6 ohm meter. Now if you look at the table, in the table the value of manganese, the specific resistance of manganese is 1.84 into 10 raised to minus 6 ohm meter. Therefore, the given material is of manganese. Okay. So please note down this sum. After this, next sum is very important. Okay. So these type of sums generally they come. Example 12.6 they come. These sums we will try to solve with the help of table. A wire of given material, example 12.6. Example 12.6. A wire of given material having length L and cross section area has a resistance of 4 ohms. So you have resistance, you have length and you have area. Okay. And now you know resistance. I'll write your specific resistance also rho. So first the resistance, what is given? A wire of a given material having length L. So length is L and the area is A and the specific resistance is rho. And in this case, let the resistance be R1. Next, what will be the resistance of another wire of the same material? Because it is the same material, rho will be same. Right? Now what they are saying, having a length of L by 2. So here what is the length? Length is L upon 2. And what is the area? Area is 2A. In first case, the resistance was 4 ohms. You have to find R2. So R1 is nothing but 4 ohms. It is given R1 is equal to 4 ohms. You understood this table? Resistance R1, specific resistance rho, length is L, area is A. My material remains same. If my material is remaining same, means rho is same. My length is changed, area is changed. What will be my R1? R1 will be rho L upon A. What will be my R2? R2 will be here rho. Instead of L, now I will have L upon 2. Understood? And instead of A, I will have 2A. Okay. So what is my R1? R1 is rho L upon A. And what is my R2? R2 is rho into L upon 4A. Understood? Now whenever you have comparison of resistance, you will write this way. R1 divided by R2. What will be R1 divided by R2? It will be R1 divided by R2 is equal to rho L upon A divided by rho L upon 4A. Correct? 4A. So therefore R1 upon R2 is equal to rho L upon A multiply by 4A upon rho into A. Got it? So rho into L and rho into L get cancelled, A and A gets cancelled. Now I know the value of R1 is 4 ohms. So I will put over here, therefore, what do I get? R1 upon R2 is equal to 4. What is my value of R1? It is 4. 4 divided by R2 is equal to 4. Therefore, R2 goes there, 4 comes here. 4 upon 4 is equal to R2. Therefore, R2 is equal to 1. Understood this? So, such type of sums they come. Now, what are the varieties of problems they can ask? What will happen if the length is doubled and area remains same? So, if the length is doubled, instead of L upon 2, you will write 2L and area will remain A only. What will happen if the length is tripled? So, it will become 3L and area will remain same, or area is also tripled. So, instead of 2A, you will write there 3A. This way, and always remember, you try to solve it by in this form, because then confusion is less and you can easily reciprocal and do the cutting. Okay, please note down this sum. Thank you very much.